Hi! In front of me is OPPO A79 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access battery. When you finished, scroll all the way down and click on More Settings at the bottom. Then tap on this switcher next to High Performance Mode and click on OK in the pop-up to activate it. As you can see, after that, higher performance is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same No Blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!